Hello dear colleagues, today we are beginning new discipline and we will discuss theoretical approach to project management. So, our first lecture name is Project Management Overview. Your lecturer is Danchenko Elena Borisovna, Doctor of Technical Sciences, Professor and IPMA certificate. So, what is project management? There is only one constanta in this world, changes, and changes means project. These words belong to Eric Verzuch. Nowadays, in project management, we have two organizations who can give their certificate in project management. So, leading project management organizations are: first, it's Project Management Institute, PMI. In Project Management Institute, the most popular in post-Soviet countries is PMI branch in Russia. And second organization is International Project Management Association, IPMA. You can see the site on the slide. There are a lot of association filials in this organization, for example, Russian Project Management Association, Sovnet, Ukrainian Project Management Association, Ukronet. You can see what project management associations are in your country, but only two international project management associations, it's Project Management Institute and International Project Management Association, can give you a certificate of a project manager. Next, we'll discuss project management standards. Standards describe the overall approach, best practice, and recommendations. They are not obligatory. Regulation documents, laws, institutions, rules, orders are prepared based on the standard. It means all the document must be according to the standard. Standard qualities are next. First, best world practice. Second, system approach. Third, one terminology and methods. Fourth, the base for collaboration, international especially. And the last one, fifth, international evaluation. Next, we'll talk about projects. Projects have definition. Definition of project is next. Documentation for any product preparing, project draft, technical project. Project is temporary entity aimed for creation unique products, services, or results. This is a definition according to PMI standards. One of the most popular terms of project and formulations of project is next. Project is the activity in which material, financial, and human resources are organized with innovatory way for unique work performance in time and expenses limitation in order to reach positive changes which are described with qualitative and qualitative parameters. Every project have program. Program is a complex of projects connected with each other. Project portfolio is the group of projects which support the certain strategy. If you have a strategy of organization or educational institution, you need to create some project because, for example, as you can remember, you can't eat a cow just like that in one time. But if you cut it on pieces, it becomes possible. So we need projects, and projects need program and project's portfolio. Next, we'll discuss the main characteristics of project. So, project characteristics are next. First of all, it's temporary, means time limitation. In other words, their project beginning and ended dates. Next characteristic, project must be unique. Unique of product means that such a product hasn't been created by project team on such circumstances yet. Next characteristic, progressive elaboration. Progressive elaboration of project specification and the product is a result of unicity and means step-by-step creation, gradual progress and specifying. Next characteristic of product, resources limitation. Any project is realized in financial, labor, material and so on limits. We always must remember about our limitations because our resources they won't be last forever, they will end. So we must make a good plan of resource limitation to reach all the goals that we create to our educational institution. And the last characteristic is targeting. Targeting, any project has a final, concrete and strongly formulated goal. So, we must have goals of our projects. It means that we must know why we need to perform our project. What goals will we achieve in the end? Project classification. There are a few characteristics to classify the main types of project. First of all, by the size. We can classify here mono projects, multi-projects and programs. Mono projects are the smallest, multi-projects, it means combines of some projects, programs, it's a mix of full projects. Next one, by duration. Short term, less than 1 year, middle term, from 1 to 3 years, long term, over 3 years. As you can see, the duration of project is almost the same as the duration of a strategy of a company, and projects helps us to achieve the strategy. So when we begin our strategy, we can also begin few projects and they can last as long term as the strategy lasts. Next characteristic for classification, by financing volume, small, middle and large. I don't think that you have to that you need some explanation. You understand that small volume, it means that less money, middle more, and large more money. Next characteristic to classification, by spheres. The project tasks and documentations may vary depending on the sphere. You know that there are a lot of spheres of activity, for example, financing, marketing, producting, and so on. Think what spheres can be in educational institution. Next one, by purpose. Pilot project and project grounded on organization experience connected with different levels of risks. So our risks also can be small, middle or large. By quality, of normal quality and defectless. By priority, depending on the environment, different projects receive different priorities. Next, we'll discuss that company's project types depends on results meaning, sphere, final product specifics, size, duration, difficulty. As you can see in educational institution, while providing a new program, educational program, and so on, we need to know the results of our meaning, sphere, financial specifies, and so on. So now you can add this list by your own according to specifies of educational institution where you work. Project management. Project management is the process of team and resources management with using of specific methods due to which the project ends successfully and reaches its goals. The needs and expectations of participants are reached and exceed. There is also different formulation of project management. It means that project management is a discipline about management and coordination of human and material resources during the project lifetime by using specific methods and techniques of management in order of reaching project-defined results on composition, volume, value, quality, time, and participant satisfaction. Project management as an instrument of strategy, decisions, implementation. As an integral component of operational company management. We can also discuss project management as the element of change management. Also, we can discuss project management as the integral part of business running technology, and also as a major competitive company advantage, because successful projects always means positive results and extra profit. Next, the value of professional project management is rising by. First of all, economy changes rates are increased. Next, market circumstances become more demanding, projects become more large, and they need more professionalism in management. Next, project management differs from other management activity. It requires special skills, instruments, organization, charts, etc. The last one. The integration problems occur in different companies and in different types of activity in project implementation. Next, we'll discuss main aspects of project success. There are three main aspects of project success. Does the project help to reach client business goals? Do the results reached match those established in the contract? Project tasks. Has the project been finished in time and within a budget? As you can see, all these aspects of project's success, it means that our customer will be satisfied. So, main project management goals: economical, reasonable, adequate. Economical, we have to make our expenses minimum. Reasonable, we have to make our project shortest. Our project also must be acceptable. And the main goals are volume, quality, costs, and times. We always must remember about the balance of these three aspects. Thank you for attention. we will finish our lecture